Fennel is a plant that refuses to be categorized cleanly. It is a vegetable, yet it tastes like a spice. It is fresh, yet it carries a strong aromatic memory. It appears delicate, yet it is structurally resilient. This contradiction defines fennel's place in human food systems. Botanically, fennel is foeniculum vulgare, a member of the Apiaceae family. This family includes carrots, celery, parsley, dill, and coriander. What connects these plants is not appearance but chemistry. They share aromatic oils stored in specialized tissues. Fennel expresses this chemistry more loudly than most. The fennel plant consists of several usable parts. The bulb is a swollen stem base, not a true root. The stalks resemble celery. The fronds are feather-like and aromatic. The seeds are technically fruits and are intensely flavorful. Few plants offer this many edible forms. Fennel originated in the Mediterranean region. It grew wild along coastlines, dry hills, and open fields. Ancient civilizations encountered fennel not as a cultivated novelty but as a persistent presence. It spread naturally before it spread culturally. Ancient Greeks and Romans documented fennel extensively. It was associated with strength, endurance, and clarity. The Greek word for fennel, marathon, is tied to the plain of Marathon, where fennel grew abundantly. This linguistic link reflects how embedded the plant was in daily life. Fennel's defining characteristic is its aroma. This aroma comes primarily from anethole, a volatile organic compound also found in anise and star anise. Anethole interacts strongly with human olfactory receptors. This is why fennel is instantly recognizable. Anethole is not merely flavor. It has physiological effects. It relaxes smooth muscle tissue, particularly in the digestive tract. This explains fennel's long-standing use as a digestive aid. Taste and function align. Nutritionally, fennel is low in calories and high in water content. It provides dietary fiber, vitamin C, potassium, folate, and small amounts of calcium and magnesium. Its nutritional impact is subtle but supportive. Fennel also contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These contribute to cellular protection and anti-inflammatory effects. Again, fennel operates quietly. Agriculturally, fennel is hardy. It tolerates dry conditions and poor soils. It can become invasive if unmanaged. This resilience made it both valuable and problematic. Plants that survive easily often spread easily. Fennel's flavor divides people. Some perceive sweetness and freshness. Others perceive medicinal sharpness. This polarization is common with aromatic plants. Taste is cultural training, not instinct. In Mediterranean cuisines, fennel is embraced. In Italian cooking, it appears raw in salads, roasted, braised, and added to sausages. In French cuisine, it is paired with fish. In Middle Eastern cooking, fennel seeds appear in spice blends. These uses respect its aromatic strength. Raw fennel is crisp and refreshing. Cooking transforms it. Heat breaks down cell walls and mellows volatile compounds. The sharp anise note softens into sweetness. This transformation is key to its versatility. Fennel seeds represent a different role entirely. They are concentrated. A small amount carries significant impact. Seeds are used after meals to freshen breath and aid digestion. This practice persists across cultures. Medicinally, fennel has been used for centuries. Infusions were prepared for digestive discomfort, bloating, and respiratory issues. While modern medicine moderates these claims, many effects are supported by chemical analysis. Traditional knowledge often aligns with biochemistry. Fennel also played symbolic roles. In folklore, it was associated with protection and longevity. Seeds were hung in doorways or consumed during fasting periods. Food and belief were intertwined. From a structural perspective, the fennel bulb's layered form is important. Layers protect inner tissues and allow gradual growth. This structure gives fennel its crunch and cooking stability. It does not collapse easily. In modern diets, fennel remains underutilized. Its strong identity resists homogenization. It does not fade into dishes. It asserts itself. This limits mass appeal but preserves character. Fennel challenges modern food trends that favor neutrality. It insists on presence. It demands balance. Pairing fennel requires intention. Acid counters sweetness. Fat softens sharpness. Salt anchors aroma. These pairings are not accidental. They evolved. From a culinary systems perspective, fennel is efficient. One plant yields multiple ingredients. Bulb, stalk, frond, seed. Few plants offer this economy. This efficiency mattered historically. In contemporary agriculture, fennel's drought tolerance and low input needs increase its relevance. As water scarcity grows, plants like fennel gain strategic value. It is both ancient and forward-looking. Fennel also illustrates the human relationship with aroma. Flavor memory is powerful. Fennel's scent triggers strong reactions because it activates deep sensory pathways. This is why it is memorable. In summary, fennel is not a background ingredient. It is structural, aromatic, and functional. It bridges vegetable and spice, food and medicine, past and present. It survived because it served multiple roles. Fennel teaches that complexity does not require abundance. A single plant can feed, heal, season, and endure. It does not try to disappear. It does not try to please everyone. Fennel exists as itself, and that is precisely why it remains relevant.